Hello, welcome back guys. I am playing Minecraft once again. So earlier I just recorded a piece of Minecraft. Sorry for no editing because CapCut just decided to become greedy and make the auto caption like pro. I have to get pro. So yeah, time to do it manually this time. I'm gonna shut up for this video. Well, that won't be interesting. What the hell? I already did. Existing. Bro, I already did. I already did. What? Huh? No. 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 Remove. No. Good. Actually, you know what? I'll stop that mod on there. I'll remove it. Let's see. Remove. Already did. Available, owned. Okay, then what do I need? Other things? I'm gonna start. What did I add to my... What did I add to my Minecraft world actually? I already forgot. Oh, sure. Time to re-download CapCut. Okay, what's this? Okay. What is this? What? Oh. So I can just... What? Yeah, I don't understand the difference whatsoever. I'm putting it in the chest. Yeah, I don't need that. Freak off. You know what? I'm gonna do like a... For the thumbnail, dark thingy. I'm gonna edit out a lot of here. Yeah, you're dead, bro. Yeah. Anyways, where's your owner? Bruv, I can hear you. Anyways, time to put my beef. Just shut up. You know what? Yeah, I think I have an idea. Time to continue making fences, as always. problem with these mods or something. I asked my classmates, wait, you don't use keep inventory? They said no. Keep inventories for noobs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Well, time for that tree to die. Colonialism, basically. There. You know what? I don't give a shit about that. Let's see, time to craft. All I need is sticks. I think I made too many sticks. All I needed is... And it's ending. You know what? I'm making a second floor. Chicken. I thought this was a chicken. You know, I always fear that it may become just like a way for me to die. Die a horrific death. And I think I'm gonna do like those weird gates or something. Of course, I'm not gonna be done with my infrastructure. Time for my food. And anyways, 1. All I need is 1. Time for me to jump over there. I might actually be able to get armor. Well, he can't get me anymore. Yeah, boy. I don't need those boots. Yeah, fully decked out, bro. I am a I am. Oh, or something. I'm gonna put that in my boots. Oh, I have an idea. Anyway, it's time for me to get some shovels. I think 3. 3 is enough. Okay. Time for me to clear out some paths. And soon I will make like a base there. Hell no. Well, I'm gonna make a base there. Time to Yeah, you're dead, cow. You're dead, cow. I'm in a bad mood. Get over here. I should have. Anyways, these cows will taste delicious. Okay, now I'm mad. You're dead also, bro. I'm just going on a killing spree. Now, where's the ladder? Nah, I ain't making that. Oh, bundle? I can make bundles. Yeah, I'm gonna make a second floor. I don't give a shit. Give me second floor or give me none. Or make me die. Yeah, I was actually kinda scared, honestly. I'm gonna record it like 30 minutes. And see. Skeletons. But also creepers. Darn it. Well, good thing I saved. That creeper can't kill me. No, I just wanted to see more of my world. You know, Minecraft has a calming setting if you're not really stressed about the whole. So that's where you've been hiding. Die. What the hell? Bruv. That's all I wanted is just to play Minecraft. Not my reason to entertain. My first bone. You know, I have high plans of this world. First, making a giant army. Anyways, there, that's all I need. See? I eventually used it without offending the pink man. Anyways, time to actually make it. You know, this pickaxe has never been used. There. Okay, that was the scariest moment in my entire Minecraft journey. I think I just stopped breathing. Oh, god damn. Yeah, I think I just stopped breathing. I think I just stopped breathing. Oh my god. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and have a good day. Oh wait. Oh wait, I forgot to do my thing. Oh wait. You know what? Wait. Just a sec. I'm removing this mod. You know what? I'm leaving this. Good. Anyways, time to do it. Hi.